Let's have a closer look to each figure you just saw in a Rumba routine. And we start with preparation walk and open hip twist. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's look again from opposite direction with ditching count. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Man steps, man starts with right foot. Forward walk. Check, replace, close and lead lady to hip twist. Back, replace, and to side and slightly forward. Let's look again from opposite direction. Man starts with right foot. Forward walk. Checked forward walk, replace, close, lead lady to hip twist. Back, replace, to side and slightly forward. Lady steps, she starts with left foot. Backward walk, backward walk, replace, forward walk, then swivel with hip twist action, forward, forward walk turning and back, finishing in fan position. Let's look again at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back, back, replace, forward, then swivel, forward, forward turning and back, finish in fan position. And now foot change to shadow position and walks in shadow position. 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's look again with ditching count. And 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Man steps, man starts with left foot, Cuban rock to left, to right, to left, to right, forward walk, forward, forward and turn, close, forward and forward. Let's look again. Man steps from opposite direction. Man starts from fan position with left foot, Cuban rock to left, to right, to left, to right, forward walk, forward, forward and turn, close, forward and forward. Now lady step, she starts with right foot from fan position, close, forward, forward and turn, forward walk, forward, forward and turn, close, forward, forward. And again, lady steps from opposite direction. She starts from fan position with right foot, close, forward, forward and turn, forward, forward, forward and turn, close, forward and forward. And now foot change with pivot and telemark to runaway position. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's look again with ditching count from opposite direction. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Man steps, he starts with left foot, forward, to side and pivot, forward, forward and turn, to side and replace. Let's look again at man steps. He starts with left foot, he goes forward, to side and pivot, forward, forward and turn, to side and replace weight. Lady step, she starts with left foot, she hesitates on first step, then she goes forward between man's feet, back, closes feet, forward and forward. Let's look again at lady's steps. She starts with right foot hesitation, then goes forward between man's feet, back, closes feet, then goes forward and forward. And now swivels and lady turn to open position. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. And again with teaching count. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Man steps, he starts with left foot, he goes back delayed walk, then to side, replace weight, replace to right, replace to left, step forward on bent knee in lunge position, turn lady, then close feet and go forward. Let's look again at man's steps. He starts with left foot, he goes back delayed walk, then goes to side Cuban rock, to side, to side, to side, then step forward on bent knee in lunge position, turn lady, then close and forward walk. Lady step, she starts with right foot, swivel and forward, swivel forward, swivel forward, swivel forward, swivel forward and swivel, then forward, back and backward walk. Let's look again at lady's steps. She starts with right foot, swivel forward, swivel forward, swivel forward, swivel forward, swivel forward, swivel, then forward, back and backward walk. And now a routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.